Hello viewers, today I'm going to talk about Tandelta test using CPC 100 and CP TD1 and different measuring modes of CP TD1. You know, there are 7 modes like USTA, USTB, USTA plus B, GST, GSTZA, GSTZB, GSTZA plus B. One thing we should know, UST means ungrounded specimen test. GST means grounded specimen test. GSTZ means grounded specimen test, guarded. Here you see this is a transformer. Inside the transformer there is full of transformer well. This transformer well is used for cooling and as a insulating materials. Let's consider there is a capacitance between primary winding and the transformer body C1, and between these two windings, primary and secondary, there is a capacitance C2, and between secondary winding and the transformer body C3. We have to measure these capacitances. You know, if this transformer well is pure insulating materials or like insulator, this capacitance will be pure capacitive. If there is some moisture or other ingredients, then it will be not only capacitive, rather this will be some resistive also. So this is CP TD1, this is CPC 100, and this is power transformer. We have to measure the Tandelta of this power transformer. Here you see these two instrument is connected through a communication cable and a booster cable. This is instrument protective guard earthing or grounding. This is equipment grounding of the transformer. Here you see this transformer bushing is short circuited, both primary and secondary, and one cable 12 kV, this is high voltage injection cable, is connected from CP TD1 to the transformer bushing, and return cables are connected at in A and in B of the CP TD1. These are switches inside the CP TD1. This switching is happened according to the selection of the measuring modes of the CPC 100 and CP TD1. Let's see how it is happened inside the CP TD1. Here you see USTA. When the mode is selected as USTA, then only C1 capacitance will be measured. How it is happened? Let's see. C1 is going through this way. This way. This is meter. So C1 capacitance is measured. In case of C2, it is going through this way, but it is open. So C2 will be not measured. In case of C3, C3 means this C3 means this C3. This is C3 also. Open. So only C1 will be measured in this particular mode. Like this way. When we select USTB, then only C2 will be measured. In case of USTA plus B, then C1 and C2 will be measured. In case of GST, then all C1, C2 and C3 will be measured. In case of GSTZA, this is different. Here you see G means guarded. So A, this in A cable will be not measured. Here you see this C1 is coming through this way. This is open. C2 closed. C3 means this C3 closed. So in this particular mode, GSTZA, both C2 and C3 will be measured. Like this way. In case of GSTZB, In B, this cable will be not measured, so C1 and C3 will be measured. So dear viewers, I think now you learned how the switching matrix is happened inside the CP TD1 when we select the measuring modes of the CPC 100 and CP TD1. Thank you for watching this video.